I myself have done this breathing exercise before I had to speak publicly in my community. So I know that we'll make a peace sign. We'll place our fingers right on. Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me for our Nadi Shodhana breathing. So whether you're doing this breathing for a few minutes to relax on your lunch break, or whether you're doing this breath work to calm yourself before a speech, a flight, or a tense moment, know that this breath work is supported by 7,000 years of Ayurveda. It is still used today by the Navy SEALs, and it is a potent and powerful breath work that not only aligns the left and right side brain, but it controls the depth of our breath and then also controls the pacing of our breath. So instead of having these shallow, quick breaths, we breathe less amounts of breaths and we breathe more deeply, and that's much more relaxing for the nervous system. So if you're trying to calm your nervous system, breath work is always a good idea. I myself have done this breathing exercise before I had to speak publicly in my community. So I know that it works not only in that regard for that sort of audience, but it also works for like if I'm stressed out or just anxious around my house and I need to ground myself and calm myself. I will do 4 minutes of Nadi Shodhana breathing, and it makes me feel amazing. So please join me. I'm going to use my hand as a way to modulate how long the breath is. So instead of counting the entire time, we'll make a peace sign. We'll place our fingers right on our third eye. We're going to use the thumb and the ring finger to alternately plug the left and right nostrils. We always breathe in first through the left, and you can breathe in 4 counts, hold 4 counts at the top, exhale out 4 counts, or you can do a variation, which you will decide after the second or third set. And so we're going to start with 4 in, 4 hold, and 4 out. But I welcome you to do 4, 6, 8. So inhaling 4, holding, retaining for 6, and exhaling for 8, which is difficult. You really have to push from the base of your lungs to get that air out. If you do 8, exhale. So start with 4, 4, 4. You can do 5, 5, 5, which I did for a very long time, or you can do 4, 6, 8. Let's get started. Plug the right nostril with the thumb, peace sign at the third eye, sit nice and tall, relax, and we're gonna breathe, hearing the sound of the ocean at the base of the throat. Inhale 4 counts through the left nostril. Holding for 4. Exhaling through the right nostril. Pausing at the bottom of the breath. Inhaling through the right nostril 4. Pausing and holding for 4 at the top. Exhaling. That's 1 round. We typically do 8 rounds in Nadi Shodhana. So inhaling left, exhale right, exhale left, 1 round. Let's continue. Inhale left. Retain. exhale right. Pause at the bottom. Inhale right. Retain at the top. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Continuing on. Switching hands if you need to. So take a deep breath when you finish. We always start and end from the left or lunar channel. So we have the left brain and the right brain balanced. We have the solar, powerful energy and the lunar, nurturative, curative energy. And when we breathe in through each channel, it is very calming and balancing. I hope you enjoyed this session and that you feel more centered and present. and I welcome you to join me to learn more of my favorite breath work techniques that I've learned during my 20 years of teaching yoga. Have a great day. Please like or subscribe if you feel better doing this video than before you did it. And I look forward to seeing you in the future.